Tammy Slaton has always been a magnet for headlines and strong opinions. Ever since 1000 LB Sisters premiered, her health struggles, personal growth, and emotional roller coasters have captured the attention of millions. Now, Tammy is making waves yet again, but this time it's not about her jaw-dropping weight loss transformation or her dramatic battles with old habits. Instead, the spotlight has turned to her upcoming wedding with her fiancé Andrea, and fans can't stop buzzing about the quirky, unconventional, and surprising details that Tammy herself has started to share. After a long journey of overcoming health crises, family drama, and personal battles, Tammy's wedding plans feel like a refreshing new chapter of joy. But true to her unapologetically bold personality, the reality star is not planning to walk down the aisle in a traditional way. Instead, she has teased some unique elements about her celebration that have left fans both delighted and stunned. For Tammy, this isn't just about saying, "I do," it's about creating an experience that reflects who she and Andrea are as a couple, and breaking free of the stereotypes that many people expected from her. According to insiders close to Tammy, the star has been remarkably open behind the scenes about wanting her wedding to feel like a celebration of authenticity rather than a carefully choreographed display. She's never been someone who liked to conform, and fans know her fiery streak often shows up when she's determined to live life her way. Now that she's healthier, happier, and engaged to someone who genuinely makes her smile, Tammy is making sure that her big day will be filled with moments that reflect her true spirit. One of the quirkiest details she has reportedly shared is the theme she's considering. Instead of a classic all-white gown and polished decor, Tammy is leaning towards something fun, vibrant, and slightly untraditional. Sources claim she wants bold colors, possibly even costumes or playful touches, and Andrea is totally supportive. Tammy apparently joked in a live stream that she ain't about to have some stiff old people wedding, sparking laughter among her fans. Some even speculated that she might go for a retro vibe or a fun country-inspired setting, given her roots. But perhaps the biggest wedding secret Tammy has spilled is her idea of serving food that reflects her personality, not just the standard upscale catering. In a move that shocked many, Tammy hinted that she'd love to have a snack shack at her wedding reception, with her favorite comfort foods alongside healthier options. This quirky idea has already become a talking point online, with fans weighing in on whether it's genius or risky. Some praised Tammy for keeping it real and giving guests something memorable to talk about, while others worried it might play into old habits she's fought so hard to overcome. Still, supporters point out that Tammy has already proven she knows how to balance her lifestyle post-surgery, and if Onion can pull it off, it's her. The fan reactions to Tammy's quirky wedding plans have been intense and passionate. Social media threads are filled with viewers debating everything from her dress choice to her food plans. On one side are the fans who absolutely love the fact that Tammy is owning her identity and doing things differently. They argue that after everything she's been through, near-death experiences, years of being underestimated, and a long road towards self-love, she deserves a wedding that feels joyous and authentic rather than traditional. One supporter wrote on X, "Tammy has been through hell and back. If she wants costumes and snack shacks at her wedding, let her have it. That's her happiness, and I'm here for it." Others echoed the sentiment, saying that her wedding will reflect how far she's come in creating a life where she's no longer hiding or apologizing for who she is. On the other hand, there's a segment of fans who seem more skeptical about her quirky approach. Some critics argue that weddings are milestones that should carry a certain amount of tradition, and Tammy's bold ideas might come across as gimmicky or distracting. A few even accused her of turning the event into another show, rather than a heartfelt ceremony. However, supporters quickly pushed back on that, pointing out that Tammy has earned the right to celebrate in whatever way makes her happy. One fan clapped back at critics by posting, "Yav said she wouldn't live to see her wedding day. Now that she's here, thriving, and planning her dream wedding, people wanna complain about the snacks. Sit down." What makes Tammy's wedding news even more fascinating is how much it reveals about her relationship with Andrea. Unlike some of Tammy's past relationships that were filled with turbulence, red flags, or family disapproval, Andrea has been welcomed by many fans as a positive influence. The two reportedly share a playful bond, and Andrea seems to encourage Tammy's individuality rather than suppress it. This is a stark contrast to Tammy's past, where she often found herself in toxic dynamics that left her drained. By spilling these fun wedding secrets, Tammy is indirectly showing fans that she and Andrea are on the same page. Both are excited to create a celebration that mirrors their personality. And love story. Another layer of excitement comes from the fact that the wedding may very well be featured in some form on 1000 LB Sisters. TLC has not confirmed whether cameras will roll on the big day, but given the network's history of covering major milestones in the Slayton family's lives, it seems likely. If this happens, viewer may get an up-close look at all the quirky details Tammy has hinted at. That possibility alone has sent fans into speculation mode. Will TLC embrace Tammy's unconventional vision, or will producers try to steer her back toward a more traditional narrative? Either way, fans are eager to tune in, making this wedding one of the most anticipated events in reality TV. Tammy's wedding also holds symbolic meaning beyond just her personal love story. It represents the culmination of years of hard work, setbacks, and growth. For someone who once spent more time in the hospital than planning for the future, the fact that she is now daydreaming about quirky decorations and snack stations feels monumental. Fans who have followed her from season 1 know just how much of a miracle this is, and many have said they see her wedding is a victory for resilience. One emotional fan post read, "Seeing Tammy healthy, happy, and in love, it's like watching a fairy tale unfold. She deserves every bit of joy on that wedding day, quirky or not." Interestingly, Tammy has also dropped hints that her wedding dress itself may defy expectations. Rather than opting for a slimmed-down, classic bridal gown, she's teased that she might choose something bold and uniquely tailored. Some fashion bloggers have speculated that Tammy could go for custom designs that play up her personality, perhaps even incorporating colorful accents or non-traditional cuts. Fans are already buzzing about what her bridal look will be, with many hoping she uses the opportunity to show off the confidence she's gained after losing so much weight. Whatever she chooses, one thing is clear: Tammy has no interest in blending into the crowd. The quirky celebration idea may not be everyone's cup of tea, but that's exactly what makes it so newsworthy. Tammy has spent much of her life battling harsh judgment, and now she's embracing the fact that she will always stand out. Her wedding plans are simply another extension of her ongoing journey towards self-acceptance. The quirky twist is not just about entertainment, it's a symbol of Tammy finally living life on her own terms. In the weeks leading up to the big day, fans will no doubt continue speculating about what else Tammy might reveal. Will she stick to her snack shack idea? Will she surprise everyone with an even wilder concept? Will Andrea bring her own creative spin into the mix? No matter what, the buzz surrounding Tammy Slayton's wedding is proof that the star continues to capture hearts and minds. She's gone from being one of the most criticized figures on reality TV to someone who inspires people to embrace joy in unexpected ways. For Tammy Slayton, this wedding is more than a ceremony, it's a declaration that she has survived, she has thrived, and she's ready to celebrate love her way. Whether fans cheer, laugh, or question her quirky plans, one thing is undeniable: everyone will be watching when Tammy and Andrea say their vows. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.